guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a super short Costco haul with items that we purchased today, along with what we use them for or who eats them in my household. We are a family of 3, so we don't go to Costco that often. We try to buy the things at Costco that we know that we are going to eat and it's not going to be wasted. So we buy pretty much just staple items that our family consistently eats. And also at the end of this haul, stay tuned because I'm going to show you my very favorite acai berry smoothie bowl and tips and tricks on how to make sure it's super thick consistency, so when you put it in the bowl and put the toppings on, it's just a super great breakfast or an easy lunch. So if you want to see exactly what we got at Costco, how we use it, and then of course the bonus smoothie bowl at the end, then just keep watching. So I'll start on this side, just a few things. The golden margarita, this is actually really good and it's already mixed, so it's super easy just to have if you need a margarita. And then we got the organic unsweetened almond. My son uses this in his cereal in the morning, and I use this in any type of smoothie or like smoothie bowl. Next, we got these egg bites. They are, does it say? Just cheese and uncured bacon. It's a four pack for, I believe, $9. We were trying to figure out easy breakfasts for my husband, so this is what we picked up for him. So hopefully he likes them. Next, we got a big old pack of grapes. This was $10 and it's a 4-pound container. My husband will wash all these off, take them off the stem, and then put them in a freezer bag and freeze them, and then it's just like a healthier snack, frozen snack. So there's that. Strawberries, if you've been watching my vlog, you know that I will wash these, cut them up, and Colton will have these as a snack, breakfast, or different things. Next are these organic apple slices. They come in individual packages, so they're great for my husband's lunch for a snack, or Colton for me to throw in his lunchbox, since he now brings his lunch to school every day. It's more of a new thing. He used to eat like a hot lunch at school, but now he wants me to pack his lunch. So I try to just get healthier options when it comes to lunch, because there's just so many options out there that are not that healthy. So we are trying to keep it a little healthier, so we will toss those in his lunchbox. As well as I got some asparagus here. It's a big old pack, 2.25 pounds, and I believe this was only like $5. So pretty affordable, and we'll probably eat this with a steak dinner, chicken dinner, something like that. So, and then we got some children's Motrin. We were out of Tylenol for when Colton gets a fever. He actually is not feeling good today and does have a fever, so we did need to get them for sure. And then next is my favorite acai berry little packages. You can see them. They look like this. They're small, frozen, and you put them in a smoothie, or you can make a bowl like I was mentioning earlier. And then I also purchased these Rushmore Essential Organic Antioxidant Blend. So it has strawberries, cherries, raspberries, and pomegranates. Really good to mix with these for a smoothie bowl. I also sometimes put in like chopped up mango. So I will show you what I do. I'm really excited to make a bowl for you guys so you guys can see what I do. It's super easy, super healthy, and super filling, surprising, and it makes you feel really good too. So acai is really good because it's full of antioxidants. So if you're getting sick, head on to Juice It Up, or if you can make one at home yourself, I would suggest it. Next is this 5-pack of steaks, and this will be for several dinners for us. And this is the beef loin New York steak boneless, and it was $29. So splitting it up, I mean, Nick and I can split one of these, but generally Nick will eat one and then Colton and I will split one. So that will be a couple dinners. And then I always buy the ground turkey from there. There's so many things that you can do with ground turkey. I did several recipe videos, which I'll link right now in the cards up top and below, so you guys can see what I use turkey for. But you can do turkey meatloaf, turkey meatballs, turkey in a pasta sauce. You can do like different dishes, which I've already done, turkey chili, all that stuff. So very, very good to have on hand. If you do want like a lean meat, it is better for you than ground beef. And to be 100% honest, keep it real, ground beef really messes my stomach up, so I can't eat it. So this is why I get this. Next, I got this pumpkin seed and flax granola. It's really good with some agave on a smoothie bowl or in yogurt. If you don't eat dairy, then the smoothie bowl, or just by itself as a snack. And then next are the soft and chewy granola bars. My husband got these for his lunch, and then I'm sure Colton will grab for them every so often as well. And we did get bananas. My husband takes those for a snack at work, and they go in smoothies that we make. This was something new that I had never purchased before that Nick pointed out when we were there, and it's a chicken breast burrito bowl. It looks like it's seasoned chicken with a blend of brown and white rice, black beans, corn, roasted salsa, topped with jack and cheddar cheeses. Looks good, and it comes with 3 like little bowls. I mean, that doesn't look that good, but probably stirred up it will be looking good, and it is gluten-free as well. So, and then last we got just some brown eggs. Now for the acai berry smoothie, you're going to need some type of berries. I love this pack from Costco that you saw earlier in this video. It has quite a few different fruits in it, so it's just easy, along with some type of acai berry packet. I get these at Costco. They do have a different brand at Walmart. It's very similar. I just tend to like this one better. And then next you're going to need some ice. I just put it in a cup to make it easy. Almond milk, as well as some items for toppings. So I pulled out some honey and agave, as well as some cut up strawberries, a fresh, not frozen, banana, as well as the granola that we got from Costco. The first thing I do is I run the acai berry packet under warm water just so it's easy to get out. Then I put everything together in the blender that I showed you before.
It is raining outside and we're still in bed. We don't wanna wake up yet.
And now I'm just adding my toppings. For this specific bowl, I am adding the banana, as you see here.
All day, 'cause we both deserve it all.
Now I'm adding some strawberries and then some granola. And last, I'm adding some honey. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching. If you make this acai berry smoothie bowl, please tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your recreation. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!